Okay, I'm going to attempt this without trying it first. I'm going to tape it at the same time. Let's see what happens. Oh, leftover candy. Okay. This was written on years ago when Dominique was really little. I've been trying to clean this bin, and it's really not going very well. But I did see a trick. I don't have a perfect setup here. I'm going to use this here red. Looks like a marker, right? We're just going to color over the black. Well, yeah, of course you can still see it. Right? That's the point. I don't know if that's the point. Doesn't matter, but you see that? I may have just made it messier and worse. Gonna take the same rag I was trying to clean it with. See what happens. Oh my goodness. Hold on, people. Look at that. Seriously. It's a dry erase marker. That's a permanent black marker. I just colored on over it with my choice of red. Red. Using the same old rag cleaning thingy. Doesn't matter what it is. Look at that. A little more elbow grease or another clean cloth will probably do the trick. Yes, it works. You're welcome.